What's up, guys? What's up? What's up? Welcome back to another video, guys. So today we'll be talking about Euro USD and gold as usual. Okay. So I actually gave a forecast on Euro USD for shorts, and it have taken full profits, guys. It have taken full profits, and I mentioned that it would actually come back down to retest the lows at 1.0697, and it actually have already done that. So I will do a quick recap on that trade that I actually forecasted. Okay, so let me just start off from the monthly time frame. Okay, guys, let me remove this chart. Let me go down to the monthly time frame to talk about price first. Okay, if you're looking at on the monthly time frame, okay, we can see that price seemingly is on some kind of downtrend. Okay, on the monthly time frame, the largest time frame. And we can see if we zoom into this area from 2022 onwards, we can see that price actually cleared liquidity above, or have already cleared this high here, okay? And it's seemingly pushing down, okay, and it's bearing down. So if we go to the weekly time frame, in essence, okay, we look at current price, we can see that price is also seemingly very bearish, okay? And price actually take and swept liquidity right at this area here. Okay, price swept liquidity right at this area here. Okay, guys. So with the fact that price swept liquidity at this area here, we could see price starting to hit down further. And if we actually go down to the daily time frame, okay, we see that price have been largely very, very bullish from October onwards. Okay, and it is important to see how price actually reacts to levels such as this specific demand zone over here. Okay, that would be a level that we would take note of and identify and see how price reacts to this area, because it would be nice for some kind of longs, okay, some kind of long position there. So let me go down to the 4 hours time frame to talk about price. If we're down to the 4 hour time frame to talk about price, we can actually see that price have cleared this daily high, this daily low here at 1.07126, okay? And it is seemingly looks to be able to come back down further, okay? And it seems seemingly able to come back down further to clear and to tap on this weekly low at 1.06389. Okay, that area is a possible area for price to tap into and clear. All right, guys. And if we go down to the 4 hour time frame again, let's take a look at the 4 hours time frame. Okay, we can actually see the price is on some kind of downward trend right now, okay, as you can see on my marker. So by forming lower lows and lower highs as the basic of structure and the basic of a bearish trend, okay. And so far I believe that price have potential to continue heading down, and I believe that this breaker block over here on the 4 hour time frame can be definitely tapped into. This breaker block here can definitely be tapped into. Okay, let me mark that out first. So this area here can be tapped into, and I will be looking for short opportunities. So I will be talking about my swing short my intraday short forecast that I've talked about just now. Okay, so the reason for that forecast of that short is actually on the lower time frame. It's an intraday trade. Let me go down to the 15 minutes time frame to talk about it. So it was right here. So I see that I noticed the price actually swept upside buy side liquidity above here. Okay, let me just click that out with marker. Buy side liquidity has been swept above. Price broke structure over here. Price broke proper structure over here. Swing low has been broken at this point here, which led to a retracement all the way up. And that is when I actually took a short position at about 2.3 over here. Okay, short position at about here with SL just above. So my stop loss was actually above, right about here, this area here, which was 15 pips SL. And sorry, not 15 pips actually. My stop loss was here. Yes, this high here, which was about 12 pips, 11.4 pips, and I marked it out low to retest the lows of this at 1.0697, and the reasons for that move is because I believe price could form another lower low, which it did eventually from here, because you see this low here, this lower high, and a lower low, and a lower high forming, and this lower low, I anticipated it to form. And that is the reason why I entered on this trade. Okay, so, and price actually really came down to test the lows very, very cleanly and clearly. Okay, so if we go down to the lower time frame to actually analyze what price is happening on a fractal nature, okay, shall we do that? So if we go down to the lower time frame, okay, let's see, guys. So if we look at the lower time frame right now, okay, so we can actually see that price made a very, very strong movement up. Okay, and this is what I'm talking about over here, where we notice that price came down, okay, went up, retraced down, went up again, and it formed some kind of fractal distribution on the 1 minute time frame over here before heading back down. Okay, so actually right at this area at about 520 area, when we see this distribution and we see the very strong wick down, it is actually seemingly a rejection on the higher time frame. Okay, it was actually a rejection on the higher time frame, and because of that, because of this rejection that I saw price doing, okay, that gave me idea and gave me, confluence to believe that the rejection on the higher time frame was actually leading to a move to the downside. Okay, it was a very strong confluence, actually, I would say that, and that's the reason why I see that price is starting have potential to hit down, which is exactly what it did. Okay, although it took a long period of time of about 3 hours or 4 hours, price still eventually take profit. And the risk to reward is very decent, of about 2.38. Okay, guys, very, very decent risk to reward over here. So if we go down to, let's delete the drawings. If we talk about the gold chart this time, okay, let's talk about the gold chart. Okay, so now I'm talking about the gold chart. Let me just hit down to the gold chart real quick. Yes, okay, guys, so I am at the gold chart. If we go to the 4 hours time frame to take a look, price have literally came down about 980 pips from the high, and I believe the price can continue pushing lower. So the next question is, where to then? Can price continue pushing lower, guys? So that would be a few levels. Let me go to the weekly time frame first. Okay, so this entire area here, price could potentially come down lower all the way there. Okay, and if we go to the daily time frame, that will be an area that will be nice for longs as well. Okay, guys, or perhaps the coming demand zone over here could be an area for longs as well. And however, that will not be enough confluence for us to enter on a trade, and therefore that's why I believe that price have to come to form some kind of market structure shift before we enter into the market. Okay, ideally what I would like to see on the 4 hours is I see price come down, test up, maybe reject off a very key zone before pushing all the way up, where it's very clear that there is a break of structure. Okay, and I will wait for price to take a retracement, go up, take another retracement before I enter that position there. So in this case, the bullish break of structure will be over here. Okay, so that would be what I will be looking at for gold. But from that, let's just wait it out on gold. I'm back on euro dollar. Okay, I believe, as I've mentioned, price can continue pushing down. It can continue pushing down to this breaker block over here. So 1.0636, do mark that area out. Okay, guys, that is a very, very important area. So that would be it for me today, and make sure to do subscribe to my channel, TradingView at Chen_Yu, and I do post very frequently some potential forecasts on trades, in the London session or in the New York session. Okay, so definitely do give that a look. And this is the latest trade that I've taken, and actually it have went to full profits. Taken profit. Let me update the idea. Price have reached the take profit target. Okay, so that would be nice, and that would be it from me today, guys. So it's a pleasure to have you guys and to be with you guys. And I'll catch you guys again tomorrow or Thursday. All right, guys. So stay tuned, trade safe, and be vigilant in the market. All right, guys. So see you. Bye.